Welcome to Website Wednesdays, where I sit down with you to critique a random website off of Google using the storybrand method. I'm your host, Jonathan Vogel. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy it and consider subscribing so you can get the latest notifications delivered right to your inbox. All right, let's jump into the video. But before we continue on, this video is sponsored by Vogel Consulting. Many profit and nonprofit businesses struggle to land sales or get funding. At Vogel Consulting, we help them clarify the words they use in their elevator pitch, on their website, and in their email campaigns, resulting in a clear marketing message that lands them the sale or gets them the funding they need. If you're interested, get a free quote today at jonathanvogel.com. Pete and Son Plumbing and Draining Cleaning Services. Let's take a look at this. Remember the 5-second grunt test? Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So Pete and Son Plumbing. The button was like who you are. I saw a picture of a guy sitting on a toilet, which is kind of funny, and it looked like a badge of authority, like they won an award or something like that on the top right. Let's take a look and see if I'm right. So Pete and Son Plumbing. We got Pete and Son Plumbing right here. Cool. Get a free quote. Oh, okay. 24 hours, 7 days on perimeter draining cleaning. Say $20 valid through all of February. Few more. Okay. Right away, Pete and Son Plumbing, very good. And drain cleaning. That's a very clear logo. You guys have nailed that logo, and it's good. It's tailored to what you guys do. It's a custom logo. Very, very well done. As soon as I start going to the top right, I see all this stuff. I see call. I see 24 hours, 7 days. Get a free quote. Okay, get a free quote's good. But what I would do is I'd make that button go up higher, top right there, and make this just super clear. Get a free quote. And I would just get rid of all this menu stuff. You're already on home. Why do you need a home button? Like, seriously, you're on home. Don't put a button there for home because you're already there. It makes no sense. And then services. Okay, that just is confusing. I don't know what to click on. Septic tank, blah, blah, blah. All these different things. Again, keep it simple. Just get a free quote. That's what you want them to do. Keep everything else. Throw it down on at the bottom of your website in your junk drawer. So you got the logo here. I will put free quote over here. On perimeter draining cleaning. On perimeter draining cleaning. We clean drains we clean the drains in your house. That's a lot more clear. We clean your house drains, or we clean drains of all types. Get a free quote. And that free quote button, that yellow button, needs to also be in the middle here. View more is not going to get any clicks. You need to get a free quote in big yellow right there, and then that button needs to be going down the website. And let's see if you do that. So we scroll down, plumbing services we offer. Okay, so you, again, scrolling it, like the whole panning, the whole slideshow thing, very bad, because I should be able to know what you offer, and if I want to click, I will. But all these services, it just keeps moving, and people don't have time to read it. It's too fast. So just get rid of that slideshow. All right. Welcome to Pete and Son Plumbing. Why welcome? Okay, so again, nobody's reading this paragraph, but it's like, is your drain clogged? That's a lot more painful. It's like, oh, my drain's clogged. Yes. And then, we clean your drains, we fix your toilets, and we service your thing. And and that's like very clear. All right, get a free quote. I'm in. You hooked me, right? You're not hooking me with welcome to Pete and Son Plumbing. Just not. Okay. Highly trained staff, quality plumbing, fast and effective. Okay, that's good. That's good. Again, do that. Change that header to, is your drain clogged? We have highly trained staff, we're qualified plumbers, and we're fast and effective. Boom. Get a free quote. That's a lot more clear. And then this paragraph, just move it further down on your website. Have any questions? Call now. Okay, so again, all your header stuff, that's good. You have everything down there. So what I would do is I think you want to sell multiple products and services, right? But you don't want to. The problem is you're confusing people and they don't know what to sign up for. There's too much. There's too many options. Make it simple. Get a free quote. Put that button on every section. Put a header for every section, a header stating, are you struggling with plumbing? We've got all your plumbing needs. So start with the problem, go to the solution. Problem, solution. And you guarantee you'll get business, because when you clarify that, it'll make it a lot easier for people to understand what you do, what problem you're solving, and how to get it. Because right now, get a free quote is there, but it's not clear. It's not clear enough. You need to put it more on your website so people can get a free quote. Because when I have a plumbing problem, I need to get a free quote pretty quickly. That's what I need to do. put that everywhere, so make it super easy for people to, oh, I need to get a free quote, get a free quote, get a free quote. And then I'd also put a transitional call to action, because if I don't need any drain services, then 10 ways you can clean your drain in 90 seconds. What I'm doing here is a transitional call to action. It's a way for you to grab emails so you can show up in people's inboxes, so that even though I don't need your services now, the fact that you're showing up, I'm not even reading your emails, but the fact that you're showing up in my inboxes when I have a drain problem, I know who to go to, because you've established yourself as the guide by showing up in my email every week. Where is that on your website? Don't see it. Don't see it at all. I definitely should have that. Definitely should have that, because you'll get a lot of business that way. Okay, so again, I would just say the logo's in a great spot. Get a free quote, put it on the top right of your website, put it in the middle of your header, get rid of that slideshow of all the products you offer. And you can still, and about those products really quickly, you can still put them on your website like that, but just keep them small and keep them clear. And then when I want to click on, what does it say? Perimeter drain install and repair. I click on that, it goes to another landing page all about drain install repair. It just left, I can't even read it again. Drain install repair. It's a whole nother landing page separate, and why you guys are the right solution for that problem, right? You talk about the problem, the solution, how you're the guide for that problem, how you're experts in it, blah, 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 all the people you've helped saved drain issues and all that stuff like that. But each product has its own landing page going through that same method as your homepage. The homepage shouldn't clutter your website up. It should be very simple. Get a quote, get a quote, get a quote, get a quote. And if you do that, you'll get business. All right, that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you want me to review your website, let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think I missed? If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. And like always, guys, this Website Wednesday is all about sitting down with you to critique a random website off of Google using the StoryBrand method. I'm your host, Jonathan Vogel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. You're awesome.